is a house.
We have entered into the season of miracles. That which has been will be no longer. Those who are bound will be set free. Those who have stood in the gap will stand on the mountaintop. Those who have been faithful will receive their inheritance. Those who have been cast down will be lifted up. Those who have been through a dry season will experience the rain. Those who have had a hard time hearing my voice will begin to hear me clearly. Those who have suffered lack will have the yoke broken off their back. Those who have desired to hear me more will experience me knocking at the door. Those who have been faithful in sowing their seed will soon become aware that I have taken care of every need. Those who have been oppressed are entering into a season of rest. For I have turned the tide, and the rivers of my manifested glory are heading your way. For the season of miracles are here.